LangGraph's runtime orchestrates actor-channel interactions through a Pregel instance, where actors consume and produce data via typed channels in discrete execution steps. This artifact demonstrates a minimal configuration: a single actor subscribing to an input channel, transforming data, and writing to an output channel. We'll examine how a NodeBuilder constructs an actor that listens to channel A, applies a doubling operation, and publishes results to channel B, with the Pregel runtime managing the execution flow between these ephemeral channels.
From LangGraph, channels import ephemeral value. From LangGraph, Pregel import Pregel NodeBuilder. Node 1. NodeBuilder, subscribe only A. $x plus X. Write to B. App equals Pregel. Nodes node 1. Channels equals A, EphemeralValue ester. B, EphemeralValue ester. Input channels equals A. Output channels equals B. App invoke A. Foo.
This code demonstrates the foundational components of LangGraph's Pregel runtime: actors and channels working together in a simple data flow. The NodeBuilder creates a single actor that subscribes to channel A, processes the input by concatenating it with itself, and writes the result to channel B. The Pregel instance orchestrates this by defining the nodes, channels, and their relationships, following the bulk synchronous parallel model where execution happens in discrete steps of planning, execution, and channel updates. The use of EphemeralValue channels indicates a simple, stateless data flow where values are passed once and not persisted across steps. This pattern is ideal for straightforward transformations where intermediate values don't need to be retained. The trade-off here is simplicity versus flexibility. While this setup is easy to understand and debug, it lacks the persistence and accumulation capabilities of other channel types like last value or topic, which would be necessary for more complex workflows involving multiple steps or branching logic. The design reflects LangGraph's actor model architecture, where each node operates independently on its subscribed channels. This isolation enables parallel execution potential, though in this single node example, that benefit isn't realized. The explicit channel definitions, input channels, and output channels make the data flow transparent, which is particularly valuable for debugging and understanding system behavior in more complex graphs. Let's break it down.
From LangGraph, channels import EphemeralValue.
Imports the EphemeralValue class from LangGraph's channels module, which provides a channel implementation for temporary values that don't persist across execution steps in the Pregel runtime.
From LangGraph, Pregel import Pregel NodeBuilder.
Imports the Pregel class and NodeBuilder class from the LangGraph Pregel module, providing the core runtime components for managing LangGraph application execution and constructing nodes in the graph.
NodeBuilder, subscribe only A.
Creates a NodeBuilder instance configured to subscribe exclusively to channel A. The subscribe-only method restricts the node to only receive updates from the specified channel, preventing it from subscribing to any other channels by default. This establishes a focused data flow where the node will only process messages published to channel A.
$x plus X.
Applies a lambda function that takes an input x and returns the sum of x with itself, effectively doubling the input value. This operation is chained using the do method, which executes the function on the data flowing through the channel or actor in the LangGraph pipeline.
Write to B.
Writes data to channel B in the current Pregel execution step. This operation sends the current value to the specified channel, making it available for other actors to read in subsequent steps. The exact data being written depends on the context of the calling actor, but the immediate effect is directing output to the B channel.
App equals Pregel.
Creates a LangGraph application instance using the Pregel runtime, which will manage the execution of actors and channels in a bulk synchronous parallel model. The variable app now holds this application instance, ready for further configuration of nodes and communication channels.
Nodes node 1.
Defines a dictionary entry mapping the key node 1 to the value stored in the variable node 1. This creates a single key value pair within a larger dictionary structure, where the key is a string identifier and the value is a reference to whatever object or data is contained in the node 1 variable. The comma at the end suggests this is part of a larger dictionary definition with additional entries to follow.
EphemeralValue ester.
Declares a channel named with an ephemeralValue wrapper around a string type. The ephemeralValue indicates this channel's value will be temporary and not persisted between execution steps, while the string type specifies it will carry text data.
EphemeralValue ester.
Declares a channel named B that stores string values using ephemeralValue, which means the channel's value is reset after each step in the Pregel execution model. The channel will only hold string data and won't persist its value between computation steps.
Input channels equals A.
Specifies that the actor or component will read input from a channel named This parameter defines which channels the actor subscribes to for receiving data during execution.
Output channels equals B.
Specifies that the output of this operation should be written to channel B. In LangGraph's Pregel model, this means the result will be available to other actors reading from channel B in subsequent execution steps. The parameter explicitly declares which channel receives the output data.
App invoke A. Foo.
Invokes the LangGraph application with an input dictionary containing a single key, mapped to the string value foo. This triggers the application's execution with the provided input data. This minimal LangGraph setup demonstrates the core actor-channel interaction pattern through Pregel's bulk synchronous parallel execution. The NodeBuilder creates an isolated actor that subscribes exclusively to channel, applies a simple doubling transformation, and publishes results to channel B. The Pregel runtime orchestrates this flow by explicitly defining the nodes, ephemeral channels, and their relationships, making the data path transparent, while enforcing stateless, single-step processing. The use of ephemeralValue channels reinforces this simplicity by ensuring values don't persist between steps, which is perfect for straightforward transformations, but limits more complex workflows requiring state accumulation. While this single-node example doesn't realize LangGraph's parallel execution potential, the explicit channel declarations and focused subscription pattern establish a foundation that scales predictably when additional actors are introduced. The trade-off between simplicity and flexibility becomes clear. This approach prioritizes clarity and debuggability over the persistence capabilities needed for multi-step or branching logic.
The node gulps, coughs B into the channel and dissolves. Only Foo's shadow flickers in the ephemeral dark.